First of all, let me say thank you to you and your channel, and particularly the area you are highlighting when it comes to the Sikh tourism, and particularly those Sikhs uh, who is a Sikh diaspora or the Sikh community residing in India. Every Sikh in a day, they pray twice in a day. In every prayer, they request to the God, "Oh my God, give me a chance once in my life to visit Nankana Sahib, to visit Kartarpur Sahib, to visit Panja Sahib." So it means to come to these gurdwaras and pay homage is part of my belief and part of my life. Unfortunately, after the aggression from Indian side and the Indian authorities closed the border between Pakistan and India, and when they closed the border between India and Pakistan, Pakistan gave a fair chance to the Sikh community residing in India and said, whenever Sikh community wants to come to Pakistan, we will give you the visa. Not only this, all those right now who are in Pakistan for the purpose of pay homage to gurdwaras, we are not going to cancel the visa of all those Sikh community members. So it shows, it reflects the Pakistan stance, particularly on the side of Sikhs, and it shows that we strongly believe that freedom of religion is the fundamental right of each and every individual in the society, and that which Pakistan government, the state of Pakistan followed. But what happened? On the 7th of May, the Indian authorities closed the Kartarpur corridor, but it is still open from our side. Every day, we open the door of Kartarpur corridor and we wait that the Sikh community would be coming from the Indian side to pay homage to Kartarpur. And you also know, in a year, the Indian Nankana Sahib, Panja Sahib, Dera Sahib, and other Sikh shrines in Pakistan, they come to celebrate Guru Nanak Dev Ji's Prakash Purab, which is in November. They come to the they come to the they come in April to celebrate the Baisakhi. They come in June to commemorate the martyrdom of fifth Guru Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji. They come to celebrate the Barsi or death anniversary of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. It means we have a signed protocol between India and Pakistan that in a year, four jathas, four group of people can come to Pakistan. This time, when in November, Sikh community wanted to come to Pakistan to pay homage to Gurdwara Nankana Sahib to celebrate the birthday celebrations of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Unfortunately, this time Indian authorities sent a letter to all 6 provinces where there is a majority of Sikh community in India: Uttarakhand, Punjab, Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra. So, and wrote a letter to them, which means they are stopping the Indian Sikh yatris not to come to Pakistan, which is a fundamental right. Professional religion, freedom of religion is the fundamental right. And unfortunately, Indian authorities, particularly the Modi Sarkar, is creating impediment, creating obstacles, not allowing Sikh community to come to Pakistan, which is so unfortunate. We strongly believe on inclusivity, diversity, and the constitution of my country, of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, clearly says and there is enshrined that all citizens of the state, they have equal rights and they can profess their religion, they can spread the saying of their religion in Pakistan everywhere, so we don't stop them. But what is happening in India, it is so sad that you are stopping your own citizens, not allowing them to come to Pakistan to pay homage to Gurdwaras. As you know, that the beginning of Sikhism is from Pakistan. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, who was born in Pakistan and Nankana Sahib, and his death place, which is called Samadhi of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, is in Kartarpur Sahib. He spent his last 18 years of his life in Kartarpur Sahib, and he gave 3 messages to the universe: Naam Japna, Kirta karna and Vand sakna. And this message, these are the principles of Sikhism, and every Sikh believes in that. Not only that, in Sikhism we always pray Nanak Naam Chardi Kala Tere Pane Sarbadda Pala. The Indian yatris will be coming to Pakistan. Here they will see the people of Pakistan, the government of Pakistan, the government of Punjab, my chief minister, my prime minister, and the people of Pakistan would welcome them, would receive them with open hand and open hearts. But once they enter in Pakistan, they meet with the people of Pakistan, they go happily, they go as ambassador of Pakistan, and there are slogans, long live Pakistan, long live Sikh Muslim friendship. So what is this? This is something which is not digested by the Indian authorities because they are spending millions, rather billions of rupees just to propagate negativity about Pakistan, and they're trying to make Pakistan isolated in the world. And they are also trying to give a message that Pakistan is not a safe country, whereas Pakistan is a beautiful country. Pakistan strongly believes on inclusivity. Pakistan strongly believes on diversity. And my chief minister, Maryam Nawaz Sahib, when she standing in the Punjab Assembly, on the floor of the Punjab Assembly, she categorically said that minorities are my pride. Likewise, Prime Minister of Pakistan, likewise, Field Marshal of Pakistan. Everyone says that Pakistan is a country where we strongly believe on inclusivity and we respect our minorities and their faith here in Pakistan. If you look at the recent floods, unfortunately, we were looking forward and we always requested to the Modi Sarkar that please send yatris to Pakistan, open the corridor, and at least send us 2,500 yatris so that they can come to Pakistan, they can visit Kartarpur, and they go back happily. But what happened? Rather to send 2,500 yatris, Modi Sarkar sent us a water of 250,000 cusic. And the outcome was the first hit of that water was Kartarpur corridor. And there was around 8 to 10 feet water inside the Gurdwara. And what was the response of my chief minister? She said that dewater this Gurdwara within 24 hours, and it happened. On the very next day, the field marshal came to Kartarpur Sahib to meet with the Sikh community and give a message that we all are one. And we are going to make this Kartarpur again. We are going to open it, and wherever maintenance is needed, whatever assistance is needed, we will do that. And Kartarpur Sahib is our prime project, and we want that Sikhs from the world should come to Kartarpur Sahib and they spend some time over here. So this is reality, but your question is very valid. Whatever India is doing, I have received numerous calls from the Indian Sikh fellows, from the Europe, from the UK, from the USA, from the Canada, from the New Zealand, Australia, Middle East, and everyone is upset because my Sikh fellows, they wait for this November festival for throughout the year, and they want to come. And I request the United Nations, the human rights defenders, they should come forward, and at least all those who want to come to Pakistan from the Sikh community, they must be allowed to visit Pakistan and pay homage to all those gurdwaras which are located in Pakistan. Last but not the least, when you are closing the borders between India and Pakistan from the Indian side, what does it mean? You are not only stopping the Indian citizens, you are stopping the citizens who are coming from the UK, coming from the USA, coming from the Europe, coming from the Canada, because they do have their relatives in India. So first they land in India, spend some time in India, and during their stay in India for maybe 10 to 15 days, they come to Pakistan and then they go back India, and from there they take their flight going back to their own countries. But when India is closing the borders and don't allowing people to come to Pakistan, it means all those they are in India from other parts of the world, they would not be allowed to come to Pakistan. So it means not only Indian citizens, Indian Sikh fellows are affected from this decision, rather all those who the Sikh diaspora would be affected from this decision. So it is open secret now. Everyone knows what is happening with the minorities while they are living in India. Look at the genocide, Sikh genocide, 1984. No one can forget 1984 Delhi happening in November. No one can forget Operation Blue Star attack on Golden Temple, attack on Akal Takht. Then what happened with the Muslims in Gujarat? What is happening with the Dalits? What is happening with the Christians living in India? So it means, unfortunately, the Modi Sarkar is following the agenda of Shiv Sena, Bajrang Dal, and BJP. And what is the agenda of Bajrang Dal, BJP, and Shiv Sena? Agenda is to promote Hindutva. So it means you are just looking after one community, which is Hindus, so and you're discriminating all others. So it's open secret. Everyone knows it. So what happened with one of our Sikh fellow in Canada? So Canadian Prime Minister stood up in the Parliament and he said that India is doing terrorism in my country, and they have assassinated one of my Canadian citizen. And if you look at, he's pointing out the Indian authorities, Indian embassy in the Canada. Likewise, when the Chief Minister of Punjab, Mr. Bhagwant Singh Mann, what he said yesterday, that you are ready for the cricket diplomacy. You are sending your team to play cricket with the Pakistani team, but this is so unfortunate that you are not handshaking with the Pakistani players. Why he's doing that? Because he's earning millions of dollars through this cricket match. But when our Sikh fellows they want to come to Pakistan, so Mr. Modi knows that once Sikh community is going to Pakistan, they would be coming back with the good memories. They will be coming back as ambassador of Pakistan because they will be bringing a lot of love, a lot of respect, a lot of solidarity, and good example that in Pakistan, all the minorities are protected. In Pakistan, Sikh worship places are protected. In Pakistan, they have opened up the Kartarpur corridor. In Pakistan, one of our Sikh, he is the barrister and government respects him a lot. In Pakistan, our Sikh fellows, they are serving in Pakistan Army. In Pakistan, our Sikh fellows, they're running their very successful businesses. In Pakistan, our Sikh fellows are serving the Pakistan while they are the professors, they are the doctors, or any other field of life. So what does it mean? India is spending billions of dollars just to propagate negative image of Pakistan. So when the Sikh community would be coming, they will be going with good memories. So he knows all of my those spending which I've spent for quite a long time would go waste. That's why Mr. Narendra Modi is stopping the Sikh community. But still, once again, we request the international human rights organization, human rights defenders, and particularly the United Nations, that they should come forward, they should step in, and this is my fundamental right. Freedom of religion is my fundamental right. So my Sikh fellows who want to come to Pakistan, they must be given a chance to come to Pakistan. Being a government of Punjab and being a president of Pakistan Sikh Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, the federal government, we work jointly. The government of Punjab, the government of Pakistan, the Evacuee Trust Property Board, and Pakistan Sikh Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, we work jointly. And we do organize different meetings, seminars. We look after all those pre-event arrangements. And we also have a meeting in the Home Secretary office where we invite all the stakeholders to provide maximum security to our visitors. So this is our topmost priority, that we provide security arrangements to all those who are coming to Pakistan. Number two, we do have accommodation arrangement for all the yatris. We provide langar, we provide accommodation, we provide health facilities, we provide transport, we provide clean drinking water. So all the facilities which they need, and we provide them a conducive environment where they can offer their religious rituals. Either it's Nagar Kirtan, either it's Akhand Path, whatsoever, either they want to go to any other place. And not only this, we also arrange different cultural activities for them, so they, when they come to Pakistan, they exactly know what is the culture of Pakistan, why we are so much known as because of our hospitality. So this is something we offer them. And last year in November, around 60,000 devotees worldwide visited, out of which 5 to 6,000 were coming from the India. Uh, Around 7 to 8,000 came from diaspora. But this year, we were expecting that 10 to 12,000 would be coming from India, and likewise 10 to 15,000 would be coming from diaspora. But because of this recent development unfortunately made by the Indian authorities, so certainly this number will go down, because all of those Indian diaspora who are right now in India to meet their relatives, families, or to pay homage to the Gurdwaras, they would not be coming to Pakistan, because this Wagah border is closed from the Indian side, which is so unfortunate. But certainly we do have our local people here in Pakistan. They will be coming from all 4 provinces of the Pakistan to pay homage to Guru Nanak Dev Ji.